Let's try putting them up again.
I did that last time.
Oh, really? Yeah, you put them.
I could
Put them up
get you one another.
Who's hungry?
I've already got a full house.
How many?
I got 2 in a little tub.
man.
That's plenty.
What's up, bird?
When those die,
And he's flat. I wonder where his nest is.
Where you got the line on hermit
Well,
crab?
you can find his nest.
Oh, ocean hermit crab? Oh, those won't survive. Yeah, this is a different. That's a different kind of crab. I got tree crabs.
That's three.
Yeah, they're like land crabs.
Where's your nest, birdie?
This is the bird
Needs to
that
go home.
refuses to go home. He won't go home. I saved his ass 3 times now, and he won't stay where it's safe. There are kitty cats, and he don't care. You don't care about the kitty cats? No? We're gonna put you back up here. You go up here, and you behave yourself. Come on,
Go home, little birdie.
behave yourself.
Go to your home, little birdie.
There's got to be a nest
I
somewhere.
know, I couldn't see him. Look at
They hide so well. They nest
Oh,
so good, it's
totally.
ridiculous. You just go like, how about like
Anything I
here,
think it's
or
up on top of it.
I'm gonna shove them like farther in the bush.
Maybe we should like kind of throw them on top of the bush. Gently.
Careful, careful. You won't let go of my finger. Come on. There you go. Good. Good. Brave bird. Brave bird.
Don't slip, little bird. You stay in there.